Artlist.io.
Welcome back to my channel. My name's Jim, and this will be a short update on the glory days of drag racing build that Joe and Tiffany are running. And I've got my little 66 Nova mocked up here, and I'll let you show you to use a little bit closer, and maybe make a decision on which wheels I should put on it. And with that, I'm going to bring the camera down low. All right, here it is. Mocked up with the front end done gasser style, and body's been sanded and primered, and I still have not sure which engine I'm going to be using. I either use the one that comes with this kit, or I have a 572 with a tunnel ram from Iceman I may use. Not sure yet. As far as wheels go, I kind of am going towards these American drags in the back, and then these spoked ones up front. But I also have these center lines, and not sure which ones to go with. Here would be the difference of the two back ones. And if you would comment and let me know which ones you would like to see on this vehicle. Both of them are back from the period of drag racing, and that's about it. I'm kind of digging this stance, and that's about it for this update. Next update, I'll probably have the engine built with which one I want to put in it, and maybe have the rear suspension mocked up. The front's done, and that's it for now. All right, that's the final update on this for now, and I'd like to thank Tiffany and Joe for having this group build, and I think everybody's going to have a fun time finishing these. And till that, please like, subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Happy modeling. Have a great night.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.